I'm Nathan Toscan. I'm one of the directors of Vogue Constructions. We've been in business for 17 years. We only operate our business in the Canberra region. We pride ourselves on delivering high quality homes and giving excellent client service. The smart home technology that's integrated in this home with the CW3 Joule system is measuring the consumption of the electricity, the consumption of the gas, and also the water. It's really important to measure the energy consumption of the three components, so we attain real life live data of a normal family living in a normal family home using the CW3 Joule system. They are smart looking units sitting up on the roof for the cooling cycle, and that the heating system is integrated into the ceiling and it isn't seen. We have one outlet generally in each room, which does both the heating and the cooling, and we have one set of ducting which is able to be integrated into this two-storey home. The CW3 Joule system is very efficient with the gas heating. We're showing that with the data we're collecting in this home, and the efficiencies are also allow the client to heat the home very quickly. If they were to have the unit switched off through the day and they come home, within a short period of time the homes are heated up and they're nice and comfortable for when they return from work each day. You need to invest in a heating cooling system, period. So we need to look at this system is using less energy than other systems in the marketplace. We have recommended to many clients, and we have also spoken to other builders, colleagues, about it, as we've been very excited about being involved with this initial installation. And we will continue to offer this product to future clients.